Wow! The beach looks so beautiful today.
Hey, the sand is full of fun.
The sea and the breeze are happy today.
Hey, look here. The sand is glowing.
Whoa, this doesn't look normal.
It feels like something is hidden inside.
Is this a big egg?
Or maybe a treasure box?
Be gentle. It feels alive.
What if it's a baby fish?
No, what if it's a monster?
Patience will reveal the truth.
We should protect it.
Nobody touch it.
It needs rest tonight.
Oh, it's shaking.
I'm feeling a little scared.
Don't be afraid. Something good is coming.
Wow, a baby turtle.
Phew, not a monster.
A new life is born.
Goodbye, little turtle.
Come visit us again.
The ocean always remembers kindness.